Hey everyone, this is Tony Teaches Tech. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update the PHP version of your websites running on your OpenLiteSpeed web server. So if that's something you want to learn how to do, let's go ahead and hop right on into the tutorial here. I have my WordPress website at likecommentsubscribe.club. Okay, this is running on an OpenLiteSpeed server. And right now in this tab, I have opened the admin dashboard for likecommentsubscribe.club. You can see that up here, :7080, and this is, if you're familiar with OpenLiteSpeed, the dashboard for that. So the first thing I want to do is just confirm what version of PHP is installed on WordPress. So I can do that by going into the WordPress admin dashboard, going to Tools, Site Health, Info, and Server, and you can see that we're running PHP version 7.4. Now we can confirm that again in our terminal window for OpenLiteSpeed. I'm logged into the server here, and I can just do a simple PHP dash lowercase v, and that'll show us that we are running PHP version 7.4 as well. Now, let's see, which PHP? This is going to tell us where that's installed. That's for the system, but for the OpenLiteSpeed server itself, that's located at user local lsws. And if we do an ls in here, we'll see that we have Lightspeed PHP version 7.4 and also 7.3 installed. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to PHP 8.0 for your WordPress website or whatever website you have associated or you have running on your OpenLiteSpeed web server. So let's go ahead and do that. What we're going to do is install OpenLiteSpeed. What we're going to do is install PHP version 8.0, and that's going to look something like this. So we're going to do an apt-get install, the ls PHP 8.0 version with the common utils and MySQL as well. So go ahead and execute that. This won't take too long. It's just 50 megabytes in size. And when that's done, we'll verify that it ends up in the right directory, specifically the LSWS directory that we just looked at. So instead of seeing 7.3.7.4 this time, we'll see 7.3.7.4 in 8.0. Let's confirm that. We'll do an ls, and there we go. So we have Lightspeed PHP 8.0 installed. And just if you're curious, we'll go in here, ls PHP 8.0. You have your typical bin directory, and in there you have your PHP version 8.0 binaries. Okay, so let's minimize this for now. Let's go back into the admin dashboard for OpenLiteSpeed. And at this point, we have to tell OpenLiteSpeed that there is a new version available of PHP. And that's step one. Step two is to associate that with the website itself. So what we're going to do is come in here to server configuration, go to external app. We'll take a look at this real quick. This is the current version of PHP that's installed, and you'll see it's referencing the command lsphp 7.4 and then the bin, the binary directory that we were just in, and then lsphp. So we're going to model, pretty much we're going to take a duplicate of this and just tweak this value to be PHP 8.0. So we'll go back to the external app, and we'll add a new one. Okay, so it's going to be the same type of thing. It's going to be a Lightspeed SAPI app, and click on the next button. And for the name, we'll say LSPHP 8.0 or just 8.0. And I kind of noted this stuff down before. You can go back and forth between the two, but the address, instead of 7.4, we'll do 8.0. Let's see, max connections. The other one was using 50, I believe. Timeout, 60 seconds. Retry, 0 seconds. And these are configurable for whatever you want them to be, but I am modeling it after the existing version of PHP that's installed. So we'll do persistent yes. The command is going to be just like we looked at, but instead of 7.4, we'll do 8.0. because this exists on our system now. Instances, we'll do 1. Priority, 0. And then for these sizes, what they had over there was 2047 megs for that one, and then the process soft and hard limits was 1400 and 1500. Okay, so we'll save that. That looks good. So now instead of just having one version of PHP, we have two that our OpenLiteSpeed server knows about. Now the second step is to tell our WordPress website that this is the version of PHP that you should be using. So we can do that down here in the virtual hosts section. Here's our WordPress website. So let's edit that. We want to go to, this time, the script handler, and we want to add a script handler for PHP 8.0. So the suffixes is going to be PHP. The handler type is going to be the Lightspeed SAPI. And then the handler name is, this is at the server level, but now we're going to make it the website level, the virtual host level. And that's it. We can save it and click this green refresh, graceful restart button, I should say, to apply those changes. Hit go. And now if we go back into our WordPress website, remember before we were running 7.4 for PHP, if we refresh the page and expand the server section, now we are running PHP version 8.0. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. It helps me out tremendously. And if you do, I'll see you in the next one.